here are all your formulae. Okay, page 15. We're just going to have a look at what the question gives us and what they ask us to do. But there's something really important to remember. Put the larger angle first. This will just make your life way easier. Okay, and I'll explain what I mean by that in a second. So example 1. Express as a sum or difference 2 cos 3x sine x. So you're always putting the larger angle first. So cos 3x is going first because 3x is bigger than x. Okay, now you go to your formula. I'm looking for 2 cos A sine B. So just have a look up there, 2 cos A sine B. So I'm dealing with this one. So 2 cos A sine B is this. Alright, so I'm just going to write that out for you. 2 cos A sine B is so they want us to go from a product to a sum or a difference. In this case, we're talking about a difference. Okay, now my A is my 3x and my B is my x. So my answer, sine 3x plus x, sine 3x minus x. Okay. So now I've expressed it as a sum or a difference. Okay, sine 4x minus sine 2x. That's you done there. Part 2. Express as a sum or difference cos theta, cos 5 theta. Now, really important that we put our larger angle first. So rearrange this to be cos 5 theta, cos theta. Now, when I go here and I look at all my formulae, they all start with a 2. If I don't have it starting with a 2, it means that 2 has gone from the top of that side to the bottom of the other. So I'm multiplying this whole thing by a half. Okay, now I need to decide. I've got cos A, cos B. So here's cos A, cos B. So it's the first formula I'm using. Okay, but instead of it being 2 cos A, cos B, I just have cos A, cos B. So over here I'm going to have a half in front of it. Okay, so let's write down that formula. Can I get rid of the board?
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 cos A cos B. So just taking this from my log tables. That's my formula. Now, I have cos 5 theta cos theta. So that means this whole thing is being multiplied by a half. Okay, top of this side to the bottom of the other. So that's just how you write it, as a half. And now cos A plus B, cos A minus B. And just tidy it up. So I have cos of 6 theta plus cos of 4 theta. That's my answer. Is that okay?
So would you not like divide them by 2 because you're multiplying by a half?
Now, remember, when I multiply half by cos, I'm multiplying half by the whole thing, cos of 6 theta. It's not just half the angle, okay? So it's the whole function is being multiplied by half, so I can't actually do anything with it. So it's just a half cos 6 theta. Okay.
And would you not add the two causes?
I can't, because again, it's like saying if theta was 10, this would be cos of 60 plus cos of 40. They're both functions. Okay, so you can't say cos of 60 plus cos of 40 is cos of 100. That's not the way it works. Okay, so you always keep them separately. Now, example 2. So, can I get rid of this?
Yep.
Okay. We're going to go the other way, express as a product. Cos of 5a plus cos of 3a. So this is a sum, and I'm going to a product. Okay, so here's my formula. Cos A plus cos B is this thing. So let's just write our formula. So that's how it's given to you in the log tables. Okay. So if we have cos 5a and cos of 3a, our A is 5a and our B is 3a. So you're just going to replace these. Again, making sure to keep the bigger angle first. Okay. So we have 2 cos 5a plus 3a over 2, cos 5a minus 3a over 2. And it's a product, so they're all being multiplied. If you want to put brackets everywhere you can, but it doesn't matter, it's just all being multiplied. So you get 2 cos 8a over 2, okay, which is 4a, and 2a over 2, which is just a. So that's the answer there. Okay? That's it.